My favorite local food is tamal. I like the tamal because it's delicious. I know how to prepare the tamal, my mother told me. The main ingredients are rice, potato, carrots, onions, pork, eggs, chicken, salt, and onion steep. We enjoy make tamal as a family. It is prepared on June 14. Then we all gather at the table and eat a delicious tamal. My favorite local food is asado huilense. I like asado huilense because it is meat and I love meat. I know how to prepare it. The main ingredients are pork meat, yuca, guacamole. It is prepared on June 20. We eat as a family. We enjoy telling jokes. My favorite place in Huila is waterfall Salto de Bordones. We can find a waterfall at approximately 400 meters. It's a lot of flora and fauna paddle holes where visitors can speed the Ning. It is a beautiful waterfall full of the vegetation around it. The average temperatures of the Salto de Bordones waterfall is 21 degrees C. The temperature goes down at Ning. The Salto de Bordones waterfall is located in the department of Huila, 15 kilometers from the urban area of the municipal of Dimnos. It is located approximately 6 hours from the capital of Huila and 1 hour from the municipal of Dimnos. I want to tell about the Salto de Bordones waterfall because it has a story. It is one of my favorite places. There are yupes in all that vegetation. The air is pure. There is also a prayer house where you can speed the Ning and enjoy the sunset and sunrise in front of the waterfall. I like this place for its colors, vegetation, and animals. I like to tell about the Salto de Bordones waterfall because it is wonderful, unique place and the people are very friendly. You can speed the Ning in the house of the parador. You can have the best coffee. You can walk to the waterfall. You can also visit other waterfalls that are close to the Salto de Bordones waterfall. Among the Duende waterfall, the Arch of the Jews, the Socorro waterfall. I like the vegetation and the pace that this beautiful place offers.